Hello everyone, it's your boy Rico the Best, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this Logitech speaker. And the model number of these Logitech speakers is Z313. It comes with 2 stereo speakers and your subwoofer. I think the wattage on this is 50 watt, and as you can see, my review table has been occupied with my steering wheel, so I don't have enough space right now. But anyway, I'm gonna cut the seal on this box. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, first thing first, I've noticed a paper here. I think it comes with some warranty information and safety information. I just open this tab and I see some wires that is being attached to some speakers. Okay, it comes with a nice little bag, so it's a package. You just pull this out and you have your subwoofer. This is the sub. The size of this sub is about, I would say, 4 inch or probably 5 inch. So it's between 4 to 5 inches. It's pretty light. I think it probably weighs 3 pounds. At the front here, you have your port. So it's a vented box. At the back of this box, you have your, I think this would be your power. The other one is your controller, and here would be the plug for your other speakers. I think I'm going to put the sub below, so you will see that in a moment. Inside the box here we have 2 stereo speakers. They're pretty light, they feel solid. Also, I'll be putting the link below in the description where you could go ahead and purchase these. Okay, so these are on Amazon at the moment for $35. So I'll put the link below. The camera is having a hard time to focus, so I'll just put the link below in the description. So I'm just removing the plastic from the speaker. One thing I realized while I'm removing the plastic, by looking at the speaker, it seems like there is no cover, but there is an actual mesh right there to prevent you from touching the speaker. You have your port below, so that's really nice. By Logic. Why am I saying Logic? And this is Logitech. So Logitech. Okay guys, so while the camera was off, I just went ahead and placed speakers into position. As you could see, they look pretty nice, and the bottom of them is wide, so they are not easily knocked over. And this is the controller right here. You have the switch, and you have the earphone jack where you're going to plug into the device you want to listen from. And there is the sub right underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music to see how they actually sound, so you guys could hear it. One thing I've noticed with the controller, if you have it on a table like this, it's going to be loose around, so I would suggest if you find the right location for it, you could use an adhesive tape to just stick it in place, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be playing music for you. I don't think I'm going to turn it up all the way because I don't want to be disturbing my neighbors. So let's go. So as you can hear guys, the sound quality is extremely clean I don't hear any distortion, but then again I haven't turned it all the way up. But so far, I mean, the sound quality is amazing, so I would recommend you guys, if you need something small, affordable, this is a good option to go with. I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, I want you to give it a like, and if you don't, dislike it. Remember to comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.